Hello, travelers and traveling fans. Welcome to Why Do I Like to Travel, where people from all over the world get inspirations to travel more frequently, learn about the best travel destinations, travel hacks, and more. In today's video, we are traveling to the Black Forest in Germany. Before we start the video, make sure to check out our Instagram page at WhyDoILikeToTravel to read stories, tips, and advices from frequent world travelers. Now, back to the Black Forest. And here are top 5 facts about the mysterious forest in the Swiss border of Germany. Fact number 1. The name Black Forest comes from the general dark color of the numerous pine trees that grows in this region. The forest has suffered serious damage from acid rain, and it is only a fraction of the size it used to be since 1999. However, the storm Lothar knocked down hundreds of acres of mountaintops, leaving some of the high peaks and scenic hills bare, with only primary growth shrubs and young fir trees. Fact number 2. The Black Forest is located in the state of Baden-Württemberg, southwest of Germany. It stretches from the beautiful town of Baden-Baden all the way to the Swiss border, and it is bounded by the valley of the Rhine River from the west and the south sides. The region is almost 100 miles long and 40 miles wide. Fact number 3. The highest mountain in the Black Forest, called Feldberg. It is 4,898 feet or 1,493 meters tall. Feldberg Mountain is the highest German mountain outside of the Alps, and it offers lovely panoramic views. Fact number 4. The region is very rural, and big part of it is dominated by woods. Forests cover almost 60% of the land. Charming valleys, lakes, creeks, and rivers combined all together to create magnificent sights wherever you look. Fact number 5. The most known and touristic natural lake in the Black Forest is Lake Titisee. It stretches for some 2 kilometers or over 1 mile. It is one of the most famous places for tourists in the Black Forest. Nonetheless, if you ask any local about the most beautiful lake, the answer is clearly Lake Schlochsee. The largest lake in the Black Forest is 7.3 kilometers long and 1.4 kilometers wide. Perched at a height of 930 meters or 3,050 feet above sea level in the southern part of the Black Forest. Lake Schlochsee, with its crystal clear water, considered in the summertime the best place to engage in a number of water sports, as well as swimming, hiking along the lake, or boating in its calm surface while enjoying its mesmerizing panoramic views. Bonus fact. Legends. Even at first glance, the Black Forest seems mysterious, very dense, dark, and atmospheric. It looks like a place where strange things might happen. That's why many legends have been told about sorceries, wizards, dwarves, werewolves, and witches living in the forest. Many famous German tales are believed to be set there, including the famous story of Hansel and Gretel. When you walk amongst the woods, soak up the magical atmosphere and look around carefully. You might see something even more magical than the old trees and ruins.